This is Brett Peters here with Dream Nissan, and we're out in the service center today because we are talking about the lifetime wrap warranty. The lifetime wrap warranty is a perfect option if you're looking for something to mitigate long-term costs on your vehicle over the course of your vehicle's lifetime and your ownership. The lifetime wrap warranty covers you for unlimited miles, unlimited years, bumper to bumper. All service and all parts are included in this warranty. We get asked a lot about what is not included with the lifetime wrap warranty. And this includes things like routine maintenance, whether that be oil changes, tire rotations, new tires, changing either brake pads and rotors. Those type of things are not included with the wrap warranty. Also, cosmetic damages are not included with the wrap warranty. This might be like a dent and ding that happened in a parking lot, those type of things. Those are not included. Although what is included with the lifetime wrap warranty is those major upgrades or major changes that you might have to make to your vehicle over time, including new parts inside the engine bay, any computers and electronics that may have to be changed over time due to failure, or even things like seat belts and restraints in your vehicle that might break over time. Those are also included. So anything from the vehicle that is not a routine maintenance item is included in the lifetime wrap warranty. There are two deductible options when it comes to the lifetime wrap warranty. The first is a $200 disappearing deductible option. This option is perfect if you live in the Kansas City area. If you bring your vehicle to Dream Nissan to be serviced, all those things that are covered under the lifetime wrap warranty will be covered and serviced for free. But if you take it to another dealership in the area or another mechanic, there is a $200 fee that comes with that. The second is a $0 deductible option. It's a little more expensive, but if you take your vehicle to anywhere else in the nation, it will be covered with zero cost out of your pocket. We had a lot of questions about the lifetime portion of the lifetime wrap warranty, and that lifetime description does mean lifetime. So as long as you own this vehicle, you can bring it to Dream Nissan and it will be serviced for free, unlimited years, unlimited miles. But if you do sell the vehicle, the warranty does not transfer with the sale. And if you purchase another vehicle from us, the warranty does not transfer to your new vehicle. So over the course of time, the lifetime wrap warranty will save you a lot of money if you were bringing it in to be serviced at Dream Nissan.